And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 82. I forgot to mention that we also have an adjustment layer for gradients. Not much difference here, but there isn't a special feature inbuilt that's not available when you use the gradient tool. The only difference is that it automatically resizes your gradient to the canvas size. So you can see now here the entire canvas is filled with this basic black to transparent. You still have the different styles. Angle. You can left click drag on the canvas to reposition the center. You have the scaling, you can reverse it. And you can adjust the method. So nothing new here. If you've watched my previous tutorials on gradients in Photoshop, the only thing that's a little bit different is that you can't directly access the properties for this layer. You have to have the gradient to active and then do at least one adjustment with it, and only then will it be visible for some reason under the properties. But in general, you have all the options here available that you've got when you create your gradient from scratch. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.